Hi, welcome back. So far we have discussed on the topics like inner join, left join, right join and outer join. We have one more variation of join, that is self join. This is slightly different from other four joins. Self join is nothing but a table will be joined with itself. So that is what self join is going to be. But the scenario, where will it be useful? To understand this concept better, I have created a table that supports this concept actually. We have a table named class with section name and number of students in that class. So section A contains 45 students, section B contains 39 and section C 42, and similarly we have totally 8 sections. Imagine a scenario, we need to we are going to launch a sports event where the games will be conducted between sections. So we need to devise 4 games out of these 8 classes. So 2 classes will be combined together and play a single game. I mean, on the opposite sides, A versus B and C versus D, like that. But we need not be able to launch a game between, for example, here between G and B, because G has total strength 50 and B has total strength 39. So we have a vast difference between the strength. So a slight difference between the strength can be acceptable. So for example 40 and 39 will be acceptable. So E and F might be a single match. So like that. So in this scenario, it will be easy if we get the strength comparison between each sections, A and B, A and C, A and D, A and F, like that. So self join is the optimal solution for this scenario. Single value of this table will be combined with all the values of this table and printed. So this is applicable for every other values. So now we will write the self join query. So there is no specific keyword like self join, but we have to do it with inner join. Let us see how it can be written. Select a dot section name comma a dot strength comma b dot strength comma b dot. So we are going to combine columns of table A, columns of our table class with columns of our same table but with different alias name. That is what A and B here. From class as A, this is alias name for the table. Inner join class as B, and this is another alias name. So that is what we have used here, A and B, and that's it. Inner join is over. Self join is over. We will get single value. This value will be combined with B and printed. See, A is combined with B and printed, A is combined with C and C is printed, A is combined with D and is printed. So similarly, all the possible combinations will be there. And now it is easy for us to have a detailed analysis between two classes, so that which two classes can be computed together. We let us fix some conditions so that we will get exact values. The combination between A and A is not necessary, and the combination between B and B is not necessary. So we will try to remove these columns alone. On A dot section name not equal to B dot section name, and now A and A will not be combined and B and B will not be combined. So A value around 7 values will be combined together with other 7 sections and printed. So A class 39, 45, 42, 45, 47, 45 will be nearest value. So only 2 differences there. So A and D can be combined. Similarly 42 and 39 can be combined. So this is what this is where the self join plays a major role. So now it is easy for us to have comparison between two sections. So this is what self join. And let us have one more condition. A dot strength equal to b dot strength. So E equals strength is displayed here. So possibly H section and F section will have one game, and E and B will have one game. So 4 games is already allotted now. The rest of the thing we can calculate by. So now we will try to print the combinations except these 4 sections. A dot section not in E comma B comma H comma F. So similarly for B dot section. I mean section name. So now the result set is already narrowed down. So it is easy for us to give the schedule between other 4 classes, right? E section versus B section and F section versus H section. So 4 classes is all over, and another 4 has to be decided now. 42, 45, 3 difference, 47, 45, 2 difference, and so obviously D and A can be the optimal choice now. D versus A. We will give D comma A. So obviously then between G and C. That's it. So in case we feel there is more difference between them, we can again have a comparison and give a detailed thing. So the thing that I'm trying to explain is the self join will be easy, will be more efficient and more useful during scenarios like this. That is what I was trying to convey. So hope this video is definitely informative. In case any queries or feedbacks, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.